Welcome! In front of me I have Asus VivoWatch BP and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe left on the screen to scroll through the list of options. Scroll through the list until you see the settings option, and once you see settings, swipe up on the screen to scroll down through the list of settings, like this. Find the option called About and tap on this About button right here. Then tap on this arrow button right here. Find the option called Reset to Default Settings, then select Yes, and tap on this arrow right here to confirm and start the resetting process. Oh, never mind, we need to also confirm by entering the code. So you need to swipe up and down on the squares right here. So we want to enter 0, 2, and 4. Like this, and then we can tap on the check mark to confirm, and now it's gonna start resetting itself to the factory default settings. So let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the settings again, basically the language, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.